Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, you can see the tape has been heavy. You saw some follow through to the downside yesterday. Decent little bounce in different parts of the day, but certainly lower lows, closing below the 100-day. We tested as high as 33.10 overnight. We're now back into the 32.69 area. So, Globex middle of the night stuff is continuing to really run back and forth with some good volatility. RTH had decent volatility in spots yesterday in pockets. There were other times where it became choppy, but there's still a little bit of whip left in the tape in the regular session. But if it stays heavy, that's all going to work itself. It's going to work itself out pretty nicely. Hourly chart, you can see they tested that 33.10 here. They've been selling it off. They were on either side of the hourly midband for about 4 hours, so it's certainly not as direct as it kind of seems right now. They really battled over it back in Globex. So 32.60.75 is your low. We saw monthly pivot seal off in the Globex the night before, and it really, here's your regular session. This is what I mean by it was whippy in spots, but it was a trend down day, and it followed the rules for the most part. And what I'll be interested to see here is if what we're looking at here is a bear flag, little bear market rally from 50 handles worth. Do we now go down and make lower lows? And if we make lower lows, can the bears then progress those lows into another leg down in the market? It's gonna be very interesting to see. The news flow is very heavy. You're starting to see COVID news really starting to impact the tape again. Whether it's from France or Germany, it's starting to impact the tape. And as long as that is the case, it's going to weigh heavy on this tape. So you've got volume weighted average price up at 32.89. Hourly mid is about the same. It's about 87.80. Proprietary moving average 85.75. 5-minute mid 80. So you got a lot of concentration of price between 80 and call it 90. As we head into the open, we'll see how weak this wants to stay. If they want to bounce it, the bounces have been getting sold. In heavy tapes like this, the most reliable thing you can do is take a look at the 5-minute mid-band on short-term stuff. The last test of it was just before 7 o'clock, printed as high as 88, and then it's come down into the 65. So the tape's moving nicely. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.